back again with another mod. We're going to be installing the OPT7 light bar. It's going to be going right across the back of the truck, right under the tailgate, right along here, all the way across to this side. I tell you to remove the tailgate to install it, but I'm going to try to skip that step. I don't really see a reason to do that. And before we go any farther, we're going to test it to make sure it works out of the box, and we'll be right back. Okay, we got them plugged in. We're fixing to test them out, make sure they work before we get them installed. Turn the left blinker on. Yep. Okay. Do the right blinker. Okay. Hit your brake light. Everything's working except for the reverse lights, and that's because this has to be hooked up separate to operate the brake light, the backup light. To do that, just remove this light right here. Just take out this nut, and this one's right here. And the taillight assembly will come out, and there's where I can tap in to the reverse light, and everything should be working fine. Once we get that done, we'll be back to show you the results. Okay, now that we tested it, there's a couple of different ways you can mount them. Come right here, you peel this tape off and stick, and this is the crucial part. They give you these alcohol wipes to clean it real good down there. Dry it, get you a nice clean towel to dry it with. Another option are these brackets. Now, I don't know who they think is going to screw that into their brand new truck, but that's not the way we're going to do it. I don't like that idea at all. So we're going to get this lined up, get it stuck in place where it goes like that, and we'll come back and show you how it looks. Get all the residue off of it first with just a regular damp cloth. We'll come back behind that with a dry one. They provide in the box I think one pad is going to be plenty. Not dirty under here at all. And make sure it's going to stay in place. Let that dry. Okay, we got the light bar installed. You can see it's running right underneath the tailgate. Working fine. Next step is to connect the reverse wire. We'll do that. Probably drive the truck back into the garage where it's a little bit darker, and we'll be able to see how the lights work, get a better idea how bright they are at night. Okay, we've taken the taillight assembly out. Just had the two bolts right here, and then a couple of snaps, one here and one down here. Just snaps in these prongs right there. Next thing we're going to do is tie into this wire right here to get the backup lights to work on the light bar. Okay, we got the light bar installed. We brought the truck back inside the garage where it's darker. You'll be able to see better how it works. Pete's inside right now. Okay, Pete, go ahead. Put your brake lights, back up, reverse lights, okay. Brake lights, left blinker, right blinker. And this particular bar was pretty easy to hook up. You just have the one white wire. You have to run it up under. I took the tail light assembly off, and you just tie into the red wire. It's the only one in the harness. That's the wire for the reverse lights. And that was all there was to it. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for this video. That was the OPT7 light bar, and he's going to put a description of that bar down in the bottom of the video. And I think it was less than $40 we paid for it. So I think it was a pretty good deal. It's very bright. It's going to work well, especially around here at night. We don't have many street lights, so it's going to be a plus. And if you would, give us a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. We appreciate it. And we'll be back with another mod in the future.